As we all know that Basant Panchami is coming, so today I thought to try something new which I have never tried. So today I will try Lippan art. The art supplies for this will be canvas or any MDF board, molded clay or POP. You can also use wall putty, Fevicryl painting or any paints which you have. Okay, so these are the art supplies. So let's get started. I am very much excited for this as this is my first attempt of Lipan art. So hope so it will look good. And try not to use pencil for this as pencil has graphite and graphite spreads on the canvas board. So try to use any pencil color. Okay, black color pencil. So you can see how I'm doing. So follow the same steps. This is the orange color. Okay. In case you recreate this art, then please do tag me on my Instagram handle. I'll be happy to see your work. And if you have any query regarding this or any other video, or if you want me something to draw, then do comment on the comment section. Now stick the outline of goddess Saraswati on the canvas board using any glue. Fevicryl molded contains two parts, the hardener and the resin. So mix them thoroughly. You can see how I'm doing. Mix them thoroughly with your hands. Sorry, fingers. So do in the same manner and make this type of strips. And try not to use your fingers for making the strips because उसे uneven बन जाता, right? So try any tool for this. I have drawn goddess Saraswati several times on my YouTube channel, so please go and visit for the outline part. For sticking the clay, you can use any glue. I'm using normal glue, 5 rupees glue. You can also use any Fevicol or anything. Use scale or anything sharp for easy usage. Now, we all have reached to the end of this art, but you all know that this art is incomplete without the mirrors. So now it's time to stick the mirrors, which is the most interesting part and my favorite. So now, let's start. And again, I have used glue for sticking the mirrors, the small mirrors. As I have told you earlier that this is my first attempt in Lippan art, so please don't be that much judgmental and don't expect much perfection from me in this. ये वर्क कैसा बना है प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप बताएंगे तो. I hope you must have enjoyed the video, and in case you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Let's meet in another video with another topic and another painting. And yes, one more thing. If you faced any difficulty, any problem in any of the steps of this artwork, then please tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make a separate video on that topic.